Welcome to JEE NEET video lecture of chapter 3 motion in a straight line, distance and displacement, example number 3. In example number 3, the given information is a person moves 30 meter north and then 20 meter towards east. Finally, 30, 30 root 2 meter in a southwest direction. The displacement of the person from the origin will be. To understand that, we must decide the direction first. So north, east, south and west is the direction given. Right. So first 30 meter in a north direction. So we consider 30 meter in a north direction. Starting from A point, the person moves to the point B and the total distance from A to B is the 30 meter. This distance is 30 meter from A to B in a north direction. Now the person is at B, right? Person is at point B and it will start from point B and moves 20 meter towards the east direction. So 20 meter towards the east direction. So this distance is 20 meter. And the person will reach to point C. Right now, starting from C point, it finally moves 30 root 2 meter in a southwest direction. So southwest direction is exactly between south and west. So this direction is a southwest direction. And for southwest direction, for southwest direction, this angle is a 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. Right. So starting from C, the person moves into the southwest direction 30 root 2 meter. So from C to D, right, this point of intersection, I will call it P point. This angle will be 45 degree. Of course, this angle is between north and east. So that is 90 degree. And this angle is also 45 degree. So B to P and B distance is 20 meter. Okay, therefore P to C distance is 20 root 2 meter. Applying a Pythagoras law, we can easily say that distance between P to C is a 20 root 2 meter. The total distance from C to D is 30 root 2 meter, right? So 20 root 2 meter is P to C. So D and P distance is 10 root 2 meter. D and P, because 10 root 2 plus 20 root 2 total distance from C to D point will be 30 root 2 meter, right? And P to B point is a 20. P point to B is a 20 meter. A to B is a 30 meter. So A to P is a 10 meter. And therefore initial position will be A, P, B to C, and C to D is a path for the person, and D is the final position. So displacement is from A to D is a displacement, from A to D is a displacement, and that must be 10 meter. It's very obvious because this angle is a 45 degree. Of course, angle at the point D is also 45 degree, and AP is 10 meter, AD is 10 meter, and PD is a hypotenuse 10 root 2 meter. So the displacement is 10 meter starting from A to D, and A to D is a west direction. So 10 meter along the west direction is answer. Answer is option C. 10 meter along west direction. Right. So if you understand the problem properly and visualize the situation, right, it will be very easy for you to calculate the displacement. If you don't figure out how to draw a diagram, right, just go through the problem, understand it very carefully, decide the direction, and then you can easily draw the diagram. Once you draw the diagram, the visualization is very clear and the answer is very clear.